Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This week, no shave test today. Instead, I'm doing a restoration of this little gem. Look at this. Never seen one of these before. So the leather's looking a bit dry, so I'm going to tart up the leather work. But inside, you've got a beautiful little vintage DE razor, which I'll get out. A simple 3-piece, just wants cleaning up. And inside there are 2 stainless steel or chrome blade holders. There's the other one. So you get two blade holders like this, and a very compact little leather pouch. You can see where the handle fits in now. So I shall look forward to restoring this over the weekend, get it back looking lovely, and then put it in my Etsy shop next week with a shave test. Okay, thanks very much for watching today, and have a good weekend. Bye for now.